Alright guys, this is Mr. Williams here. I'm going to show you how to take your HoopGlider Google slide presentation and load it into VoiceThread so that you can narrate it. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to VoiceThread.com, and if you've never used VoiceThread before, it's free. You just need to create an account. So you can see I'm logged in automatically here. Let me sign out here so I can show you what that looks like. You need to register, and you're going to register using your @student.dodea email, and it'll be free for you. Sign in with email, so you can see I already have mine there. And once you get logged in, you'll see your dashboard. If you've never created anything before, you won't have anything there, but you see I have a few things created. This is really easy. We're just going to load our Google slide presentation into VoiceThread. So you'll need to make sure that your Google slide presentation is complete first for your HoopGlider. Then we're going to click Create, Add Media, from Media Sources, and you're going to search your Google Drive. There's a Google Drive right there. You're going to hit Continue to allow it to connect to your Google Drive. Confirm, allow, and you'll be able to search your Google Drive. There it is, give it a minute. So my drive, and I've got, just search, I can just use the search window here, HoopGlider. There it is, import. I can give it a title, description if you would like. And if you want to tag it, you can tag it. I'm not going to do that. You can also adjust playback options, cover art, all things that you can tweak later on, but let's go ahead and save it to get it loaded in there. Close out, you can see it's processing. And it may take a while, but once it's in there, you'll be able to add your voice narration as comments on each slide. And that's how we're going to present those during our Google Meet sessions next week. So you'll have all this week to get your narration done. And it's a pretty large file, so it's going to take a while to process there. Alright, once it's all loaded in there, you'll see each one of your slides. You'll see each one of your slides loaded, and then you're ready for comments. So you click on the comment button, it'll automatically bring you to slide 1, and then for each slide, so once all your slides are in there, you're going to go back to home. You want to find your HoopGlider presentation that you just put in there, and you're going to want to start commenting. So you'll see the comment button down here. You'll click Make Comment, and you can either choose just the microphone or the webcam and the microphone. If you choose the camera, your face will appear on the screen during your presentation. I'll allow you to choose which one that you want. So you can just press the microphone, allow your computer to do a nice little countdown for you, and then you are live recording. So you would present your HyperDOc just like you would present a presentation in front of your classmates, but instead of doing it live, you're recording it. While you are recording, you can also use the doodle feature, just like that. You can stop recording for each slide. So don't try to do all your slides continuously. Try to do one slide at a time. So you can see it plays it back. You can save it, or you can cancel it and do it again, and then go to your next slide and hit comment again and do your next one. And do that for each one of your slides until you get to the end. Now remember, you have to be done with all your slides first when you load them up there. You can't change your slides anymore after you put them into VoiceThread. When you're done, just X out, and now you can hit the share link. You can get a share link right here. Copy the link, make sure that people can view it. You don't necessarily need people to comment, but you want people to view. Copy the link, paste it into Schoology where I have the to-do assignment for you. All right. Ask questions during the Google Live today if you have questions. During the live session today, you're going to be paired up with somebody. You're going to need to call each other on Google Hangouts. You're going to take turns sharing your Google slide presentation to one another just to catch any errors or edits before you load it into VoiceThread.